Welcome to the UTS Sales Repair Toolbox Talk series, practical guidance for safer working at height. As the UK's next generation manufacturer of aluminium access equipment, UTS Sales and Repair is proud to support our clients with real-world, product-focused safety advice. These short videos are designed to complement formal PASMA training and help teams use our products safely every day. Each episode will focus on a specific UTS product, highlighting best practices, key do's and don'ts, and the importance of using equipment in line with our instruction manual. At UTS, safety isn't just a feature, it's a foundation. We're proud to support PASMA training and the No Falls Foundation in promoting safe work at height. Watch, share, and stay safe. Start your Toolbox Talk journey with UTS, the UK's compatibility specialist. BS 8620 is the latest standard for the manufacturer podiums, designed with strength, stability, and user safety in mind. All UTS podiums come with a full user manual, available online anytime. Follow them carefully for safe setup and use. Before use, inspect the podium thoroughly. Check that all components are present and undamaged. One mainframe, one access ladder, one platform, 2 stabilizers. Step 1. With the podium closed, move into position and lock caster wheels. Step 2. Unfold rear frame of the podium. Step 3. Ensure the podium locking elbow has engaged. Step 4. Push ladder hooks onto lowest rung between the guides until it locks. Now repeat for top of ladder. Step 5. Hook on platform at chosen height and turn windlock to closed position. Step 6. Attach stabilizers by tightening the palm wheel and coupler. Do's: lock all casters, ensure gate closes automatically, stabilizer correctly deployed, platform locked. Don'ts: never move the podium when in use, don't use makeshift parts. Only competent operatives should use podiums. UTS Sales and Repair recommends PASMA training for all users. Stay safe, stay trained, and always use the right equipment. UTS, the UK's next generation manufacturer.